How to create group chat on IMO. Let's dive right into creating a group chat on IMO. It's super simple. First things first, open up your IMO app. You can see mine right over here. Let's tap on it. Now you'll be seeing a chat section. What you have to do in order to add a new group is simply tap on this plus icon right over here. Tap on it, and there you can see an option called new group. Go ahead and tap on it. Now select the people that you want to add to your contacts, or just use the search bar right over here and search for the people that you want to add. I'm going to use the recent contacts right over here, this person and this person. Once you have chosen the people that you want to add in your new group, you also have to choose whether you want the group to be private or a public. I want it to be private, and if you want it to be public, simply tap on public right over here. And if everything looks fine, simply tap on the tick mark right over here. And here you can see couldn't add this person. You can invite them privately to join the group. If this happens to you too, what you have to do is simply tap on invite to the group. Then here you will see invitation. Tap on send, and it will send them the invitation link. By clicking on it, they will be added to your group. And that's it. You have successfully made an IMO group chat. Now go start chatting with your friends. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.